So let's talk a little bit about the cycle of birth and death, the transcendence of which is referred to in Buddhism as nirvana. So if you pay attention to direct experience, immediate experience, then forms are constantly arising and passing away. So the form that is here at moment, say n, is gone at moment n plus 1. The form that was there at moment n plus 1 is gone at moment n plus 2. So the death of form at moment n is the same thing as the birth of form at time n plus 1, assuming a sort of discrete model of time. The death of the form at time n plus 1 is the birth of the form at time n plus 2. Both of the form at time n plus 2. So that which is born at this moment dies in the next moment. So form is arising and passing away continuously. This is the cycle of birth and death. All that arises passes away. But something is aware of all the forms that arise and pass away and is still present. If you look at your experience, all forms that you've experienced until this moment are gone. But the awareness of life or awareness of the presence of experience is still here, in spite of the fact that all the forms that experience has taken so far are gone. So clearly, there's something here that's beyond what appears, beyond appearances. So, to be in conscious touch with that is what is meant by transcending the cycle of birth and death, because all forms arise and pass away, but this awareness does not arise or pass away. So, being in touch with that awareness is nirvana. Even to say being in touch with that awareness is not strictly accurate because you are this awareness. There's nothing there separate from it to be in touch with it. To say that you must be in touch with awareness is a concession to the belief that you hold that you're something separate from awareness. So it is this empty awareness which is ever present, which does not come and go, that takes the form of all the things that come and go. So that which comes and goes and that which does not come and go are actually the same reality, two facets, two aspects of the same reality. So nirvana and cycle of birth and death are like yin and yang basically. They are two sides of the same coin. And since the now is all that there is, now is the transcendence of the cycle of birth and death. Now is the presence of that which is present regardless of what forms are appearing, and that which takes the form of every form that appears. So nirvana is here and now, and the cycle of birth and death is eternal, basically.